So, hi everyone, welcome to microbits. Now let's learn about blocks. Then we look at the JavaScript until we finish the block code. So, let's go to basics, takes on start blocks, and go to function. We don't use function. I just let you how to use function. Function it's a function that we uses to think of anything. We just go to arrays and suddenly it's our array 1. And we go to the game. Just create sprite. If we start it, a middle again. So why is count to be the middle of that? Let me tell you the game of the Crashy Bird. You know the game of the Crashy Bird? Crashy Birds is the game that we use games, arrays, variables, and anything. Have so many, and it's so difficult to use that. And we need so many chance to do some things. The game is so difficult to make in the microbits, but Scratch is so easily. Before that, let's start the beginning at the set 1. So at the set 1, we will use the basics input. Only that, then I will tell you about the fiber blocks. The fiber block is so many. Then I will tell you later. So go first, go basics and take on start block. Then we go to variables, make a variable's name index. Then will be sets index. We duplicated another one, so we'll change it to the obstacle here. So then you go to arrays again, empty array, and we use that again. We need the variables. Okay, bird, let's go to game, create a sprite. Then we'll go to game. We use that. And the sprite will change it to bird. And we change it to blink. And we change it to 300. That's if, like here on the left side, it's blink and 300 times. So let's go to input. On button A is pressed in 2 sides. And it's gonna be good. Now let's go to game. And we change it into, duplicate it into, we'll change it all bird. Change it to bird. Is this Y and also solve. So here, if you press button A, it will go down, but button B still go down. So this will change to -1. Then we'll go up. Then it will go down, button A. So now teach you about a little bit of the forever blocks. The forever block first, we need the forever blocks. Only need the forever block will be run coding. So go to basic and take forever blocks. Then I will tell you about the set tool. So if you put it like that, we take forever here and go loops while for. Put here, then we go to logic and put that here. Logic again, and this again will be duplicated and put it side like that. Will be go there and it will be equal. So let's go to array, less of array, then we'll change it to obstacle. And this. Then we go to array again. Let's get violet. Then we will change to obstacle. But first, let's go to game. Here we go. Take that out, put delete sprite on it, and put that here. Go to game again, sprite X. Then we will put it here. Make it more good. Let's get value add again. We obstacle. Finish. So bye everyone and listening the set 2. Bye everyone.